Hello everyone, this is Wendy Easler, Stampin' Up! Independent Demonstrator. I wanted to show everyone the holiday card swap that I did with a number of other demonstrators. The products that were used in the cards are from our annual catalog and or our new holiday catalog that just recently was released. There are so many beautiful cards that came in the set today. Can't wait to show them to you. This is one of them. So we had a total of 26 cards that we needed to make, with 25 of them being swapped and one going to the awesome woman who coordinated everything. That one is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then, of course, it wouldn't be a holiday card swap without Santa. Isn't he cute? And then we have wonderful Halloween paper. This one's nice. This one's nice. I think I just did a card similar to this one. Then this one. I love the little kitty and the little puppy in the Halloween costumes. So cute, so cute. We also have die sets that, for this one, cut out. I think that's actually a punch. I think we have a bat punch for that one. But Frosty. Hi, Frosty. Ooh. Loving that stamp set. Once again, if you are interested in any of the products used here, by all means, you can contact me. I'd love to earn your business. But if you already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, then you can show her or him which products, stamp sets, or which card you would like to either purchase or learn how to make. This one is, I love this reindeer. I love this reindeer. And I love the fact that they did it on the gold paper. And that definitely is a die that comes with a stamp set when you bundle it. Makes it easy to make these cards. Easy peasy. Look, there he is in beautiful paper. I love him. Woohoo. That one is really nice. Really, really nice. Ooh, this is a cute, cool one with the kitty cats all around. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Uh-oh, they're starting to run. Oh, isn't the elephant cute? Oh. So many talented people in Stampin' Up. So many of us to earn your business wherever you are located. You can actually go to the Stampin' Up! Website and look us all up. So my name, once again, is Wendy Easler. I'm in Toledo, Ohio. Isn't he pretty? Friends make the season shine. Cool. This one is really nice. Very, very nice. And look, this is a cool card that you can make for anybody's birthday that might be in October, around Halloween. And this one is gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This one's cool too. Very cool. Very cool. May your Christmas be merry and bright. Cool. And then this one. And then the benefit of the day. So as I mentioned, we all did the holiday swap. My card is this one. I love the sparkles. Used Wink of Stella that we offer in the catalog to make it sparkle. Loving the papers. Things like that. That's the one that I made for the swap. And I made this alternate card for a different card swap that is coming up. And that would be considered an easel card. But the background papers and the stamp set is available in the holiday catalog. By all means, you can reach me at vctgraphics@gmail.com if you're interested in receiving a catalog. You can also order a catalog at wendyeasler.stampinup.net. And page 37 is the paper set that I used for this card. Sorry about the focusing. And for this card. This one is a standard A2 card, and of course the other one is a easel card. So I would love to earn your business, so by all means reach out. Let me know if you're interested in anything and how I can earn your business. Thank you for joining me for this video. So excited about all of these wonderful cards that I received. You have a wonderful day.